Welcome back to Bags on the Go. Here's all of the trim pieces for my car. The 79 Caprice. And you know how it starts to turn pink. See the red? It used to be red in some areas. But they give this weird color when it sits back in the back window and gets sun baked. I want to give you as many details as possible because when I'm done we won't be able to see this. We'll forget it was like this when the car is all put together. So now I'm just trying to slow it down for you. You know, a lot of times I make my video, I get cut right straight to the point, but I don't make TikTok videos. It's the long story for me. Like, I like to show you the full process. I got 4 cans right now. I'm gonna start off with, and I got 2 leather and plastic prep, and then I got 1 vinyl softener and 2 plastic adhesive promoters. Spray that on when it's clean, let that sit so that paint binds to the material better, give a long lasting finish. I don't have to worry about it peeling, chipping. But this car won't be left out in the sun much other than the days I'm driving it. Hopefully it don't change on me again. I don't know. Well, let's get to work. right, big shout out to Detroit Interior Works. They ordered my material for my top. That's the same top I put on my LS Chevy. So I'm gonna do the half top again because I gotta have it. Then I'm gonna do the white molding down the side. Yeah. So yeah, I'm about to pull this car outside so I get another day of sun. YouTube, man. So hit that YouTube channel. Bags on the go. So the Dynamat is done now. Most of this stuff was pink. Now it's back red. Let me compare this to the dash real quick. So all of this gonna be the same. See how that was pink? Yeah. I'm gonna do that dash too, just so it brightens that color. But yeah, it's gonna look good. So the Dynamat is all done now. Next, I could put the carpet in if I want to, but I think I'm going to wait because I gotta spray this dash. So after I spray this dash, and then I'll be able to put it in. If anyone got an extra one, this comes off as 4 bolts, I believe, that keep this on. 6 of them, 6 screws that keep this on. So if anybody got another one of these, let me know, because mine's just a little beat up. And that was just one box of Dynamat. $36 square feet. So I didn't show the carpet. I thought I did on here, but I didn't. I actually put that on my Instagram. But here I got the rug hanging so it can knock all the wrinkles out, and it'll be able to take the form of the car and look nice when I set it down in there. It won't be any wrinkles in it. So I got the heel pad here, and here's the carpet. So this car gonna be all red when it's all said and done. Red interior, red exterior. Here's my Malibu hitting the way. I swear this car looked like this my whole life. This was probably the late 90s, early 2000s. Here's my granddad, been my granddad. Here's the car again, and my 2 younger cousins.